Namaskar, my name is Priyanka Atre and I welcome you to yet another video. Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. Lord Krishna in Gita says, perfection in work is yoga. Now, to do any work perfectly, we need full concentration and undivided attention to the work. So in the next few minutes, we'll do some exercises that will help you concentrate your mind. So now let us start with the first exercise. First of all, you are standing comfortably, or you can sit on a chair and do this exercise. Now you have to put your hands by the side of the body and take all your focus towards your head. Feel that all your head cells are getting activated, and then after that you have to alternatively contract and relax the muscles of your forehead. Show you how. You have to do 10 repetitions and then relax. In the next exercise, we will be using our ears, and for that you will be taking your index finger and your thumb, and you have to pull your ears from the top, from the bottom and from the middle. You need to do 3 to 5 repetitions of these, pulling your ears from the top, bottom and the middle part. So you can repeat them 3 to 5 times. Now for the next exercise, we will be doing Tadasana. The details of Tadasana I have already posted in a previous video, so you can see my previous videos and there you can see the whole procedure, who are not supposed to do it and precautions, everything is given over there, so you can just go and watch that video. So for Tadasana, you need to stand comfortably, then taking your hands, interlock your fingers and take your hands above the head and come to your toes. Fix your gaze on the point in the front and try to balance your body. Slowly bringing your hands down, bring your feet also down, and you can stand comfortably. For the next exercise, you have to again stand with your feet together and taking your right leg, fix it in your inner thigh. Make sure that your leg is not on your knees, otherwise this joint will be creating pain. So put it on the inner thigh, then taking your hands above the head, join the hands up and try to balance your body, again fixing your gaze on a point. Then simply first release your hands, release your leg, and we'll do it from the other leg also to compensate. So take your left leg, place it on the inner thigh of the right leg, and simply by joining the hands up, stretch your body and try to balance. Make sure your hands are not away, the palms are joined together. Release your hands and release your leg. So this is Vrikshasana. Again, it helps to increase the concentration and balance of the body. Our last asana is Vajrasana. So for that you can see I am sitting in a comfortable posture. Now you have to put your right leg in the center, left leg in the center, your hands are by the side of the body. Now folding your right leg from the knee, you need to catch hold your ankle and place it under your right thigh. Shifting your weight on the right side, catch hold of your left ankle and put it under your left thigh. This is your posture. Hands will be taking all the 4 fingers together, thumb with naturally apart, place them on the groin area and simply keeping your elbows more towards the body, your back will automatically become erect. So you can see the curvature on the back. You have a straight back and neck, and simply you need to close your eyes. I'll show you in this direction. Keeping your hands on the groin area and simply lightly closing your eyes. Now concentrate on your breathing. The incoming breath and the outgoing breath. Just keep a watch on the breath. That will calm your mind, and your mind will be concentrated on the breath. You can hold this posture for 3 to 5 minutes, whichever is comfortable. Initially, you can sit for 1 minute, and you can increase to 1 minute each week. So that way you can sit in this posture for 3 to 5 minutes. You have to take, if you have any kind of surgery in your legs, that is ankle surgery or your knee surgery, then avoid doing this asana. If you have severe pain in your knees and ankle, then also avoid doing this. These were the 5 exercises which we have seen today to increase the concentration of the mind, and if it will hardly take you 5 minutes to do all these exercises, but they are very beneficial for the mind. So stay safe and stay healthy till we meet again. So friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, do press the like button and subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.